Hello and welcome to another video. There's nothing on my bed because I didn't go shopping today because of the rain. I was intending to go shopping, but then I looked out of the kitchen window and saw it was coming down quite steadily, and I thought, no. I looked on my weather app and it said it was rain until 12 midday. So I said, oh no, I'm not going to bother going shopping. And about midday, the sun did come out, and it was quite sunny for a while. But now we've got a great big black cloud coming. I don't know whether you can actually see it on this. But there's a great big black cloud, and it's quite windy too. And I can see the trees there. Blowing in the wind. As soon as I aimed the camera at it, it stopped. But it is quite windy out. I see some trees blowing in the wind. So I didn't go shopping today. I wanted to get some pictures done. I wanted to get some more paints because some of them are going down. And, I'm going to go next week. Because next week is the last Friday in April, and I want to get my last April pictures printed. So that you can cross off those, and then I'm into May. So I think it's the week after I should be going for my repeat prescription, but I'll have to check on that and make sure I know what day I'm going for that. So it might have to be first week in May I go for my repeat prescription, if it's not that week. I don't think I'm going to be able to get me purse in with one hand. There it goes. And I've still got some licorices, so I'm not out of those yet. So that's my day. I've got a letter to write for my pen pal in Wales. I either keep forgetting to write it, or I don't get time to. I'll try and get it written for Sunday, so when I get to church I can post it then, and maybe some competitions at the same time. So I might have a lie down now and have a read. I don't feel motivated enough to try more of The Wolf today. I'll try and see if I can do some more to The Wolf on Monday. Yes, the desk looks a bit cluttered now with arty stuff. If only I could shift that, there'd be more room to spread myself. I've already, as you know, taken the photocopy printer off. I keep thinking this is going to slide, but it's not. I've sorted out the colours for my seascape on the mini canvas. Don't know when I'll get to do that. I might get up early one morning and do some painting on here. I'll see what I think. Where's that cloud gone? It is cold in here. It's always cold in here because that down there underneath the window is not brick. It's plasterboard or something that lets in cold. I wish it was brick. Sometimes I wish we still lived at Sussex Close because I had a nice bedroom there. There was a crack in the bigger than that one there in my bedroom, but they said it wasn't structural or anything. I mean, the house didn't fall down. I would have liked it to. If we'd have had like a bedroom for my brother built over the coach there, then he could have had that bedroom, and then when he moved out, I could have had it as a art studio, and I wouldn't be all cluttered in my bedroom like this. Anyway, so that's the end of this video then. If you enjoyed it, give it a like and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye.